I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Brasudas University. Dear students, today we are discussing about the entrepreneurship, the basic concept and entrepreneurship and the functions of entrepreneur. Functions of entrepreneur. In the last thing we have already discussed regarding what is entrepreneur, what is entrepreneurship definition base, and how the concept is to be coming down. In that concept we have already discussed, like achievement engineering is a technique by which a person can become as an entrepreneur in a day-to-day format. So in today's we have to do certain things like entrepreneurship, because in everything you should know about the entrepreneurship. So the main thing is to be there. What is the important thing? What is the concept behind this entrepreneurship? We will discuss accordingly. The concept on this concept is to be there. First thing is innovation. Innovation. This is basically the characteristics, you can say, or characteristics or the conceptual views like this. So innovation. Innovation is basically entrepreneurship innovative process. Innovation does not mean invention. It means introducing new product in any manner, new technologies, searching new markets and discovering new sources of raw materials, etc. The innovation functions gives inputs to the economic development of a country, like these type of things. Like if you have to look after, like everything we will discuss a small example, like nano, you have listened. Whether the product is running or not, I am not criticizing. But here, the nano concept is to be coming down for the middle class segment was there. This is the innovative. Car पहले भी थी, आज भी हैं, आगे भी रहेंगी cars. But एक concept आया कि क्या we can accommodate a car for the middle class segment is to be there. Who can accommodate the car? There is a very less space is to be there. Then the concept will come down like innovative approach was there. So the main thing, like entrepreneurship, the value of innovation should be there. What is the second thing? The prime consideration. Second thing is risk bearing. Risk bearing. Because this is the main important characteristics of the entrepreneurship. First is innovative, second is risk bearing. This is the main. In this, the entrepreneurship has to bear a number of risk. Quantitative risk. It's not unlimited risk to be applicable. Number of risk in forming and running the enterprise. The market and price to be reviewed on a certainty. There is a risk of changes in consumer choice, likes, government policies, competitions, this type of. So we should be ready to take this type of risks to be there. So the risk bearing capacity we should have. Third thing is decision making. Decision making. How early, how strategically meaningful decision we have to take. Like entrepreneurship is a dynamic process. In the course of time, enterprise grows unsuccessful, maybe enterprise die and new enterprise are established. The nature of enterprises, methods of business, nature of technologies change over a period of time. This time can be happen. So in today's thing, we should be in a decision making process, because everything, whatever the process to be there, the main thing, because this is a dynamic. We can discuss also the dynamic process. And in this dynamic, because change is everywhere, change. So by the means of change, we should ready to take decision making, because decision you have to take on the basis of dynamism of the situations. If growth was there, if your upward direction towards the side is to be there, if you are seeing certain losses to be there, you just take up change immediately to check the decision is to be there. Maybe possible. Because for the entrepreneur, everything is a very restricted manner. आपका फंड भी कम होगा, आदमी भी कम होंगे, आपको काम करने वाले भी कम मिलेंगे, आपके साथ हो सकता है कुछ लोग चले, हो सकता है कुछ लोग नहीं भी चले, फैमिली सपोर्ट की भी कमी हो सकती है. तो मेन मस्ट हियर कि you have to take that type of decision by which your inflow and outflow should not be disturbed, or this can be checked out by the dynamic processes to be there, because everything is totally a dynamic process has to be there, day by day changes is to be, or you have to look after these things. Then organizing process. This is the prime things on the side of the management. Everything is planned. I have just forget a movie was to be there, but in that movie the hero is always telling everything is planned. जो करूँगा प्लान वे करता है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, भले ही से फ्रॉड करे, जो भी फ्रॉड करता है जो भी है, बट आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग बिकॉज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग should be a cyclic form, always in a cyclic form. Cash flow, your cycle should be carried out. जिंदगी चलती रहनी चाहिए. It's not कि आपने आज को प्रॉफिट बहुत ले लिया, कंज्यूमर इसके बाद आपके पास आए नहीं आए, कस्टमर्स नहीं आए आपके पास और आपका बिजनेस बंद हो गया. No, you are in the market for the long run. To stabilize yourself for the long run, and this is your dream, your brand, your product, your viability, your services should be a name in the market to be there. So organizing process, entrepreneurship basically is totally an organizing process was there. He has to organize various factors like product, create an organizations, structures, define the roles, responsibilities, traditions, knowledge, this type of. So we have to get accordingly. Then accepting challenges. Next process. These are the various characteristics, these are the various things on the basis of entrepreneurship. Accepting challenges. Every day, the life is totally expect challenges. Accepting challenges. As I already told you, a lot of changes is to be there, a lot of challenges is to be there. Changes, challenges, or queries, this type of things. So, we should be ready to take challenges day by day. So entrepreneurs gives importance to accepting challenges by the entrepreneurs. In any business, there are tremendous challenges. किसी भी काम में आज है नहीं. If I am a teacher, what is the challenge to be there? The knowledge upgradation, knowledge updation of ours. जब तक हम knowledge updated नहीं होंगे, हम आपको आगे की टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं बता पाएंगे. ऐसा तो होगा नहीं कि आज की हम पुरानी नॉलेज आपको आज दें. नहीं. Whatever the new concept is to be there, हमें वो मार्केट लाना पड़ेगा, आपको बताना पड़ेगा, जिससे हम एक बेटर फ्यूचर को डेवलप कर सकें, आपके ब्रेन को उतना अच्छा कर सके. अगर आपको हम पढ़ाई नॉलेज दे देंगे तो आप फिर हमसे पढ़ना नहीं चाहेंगे. आप हमेशा एवरीवन, हम भी होंगे, आप होंगे, कल होगा. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स, देयर शुड बी अ चैलेंजिंग टुडेज एरा ऑफ ग्लोबलाइजेशन एंड हाइपर चैलेंजेस. एंटरप्रेन्योर हैव टू फेस मोर चैलेंजेस टू देयर. डे बाय डे टेक्नोलॉजीज इज टू बी एडवांसमेंट. डे बाय डे वी नो द डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म वाज देयर. सो एवरीवन इज चैलेंज. So we have to look after these things. Here the things is finally, if I am the entrepreneur, so I am a manager also. What are the functions to be manager? That is management. Management means planning, organizing, directing, evaluation and control. Each and everything should be hand of the entrepreneur. And in that process, because entrepreneur control the process of entrepreneurship, you have to take a complete management processes to be there. So the entrepreneur should manage the resources in an effective way. Resources, word, listen. Resources का मतलब सिर्फ सामान नहीं होता, हम भी होते हैं, सिस्टम होता है. अगर if you have to go, the human body was there, the smallest unit is cell. Different types of cells form tissue. Different tissues form organs, organs form system, systems form body. तो अगर एक भी चीज इसमें से like the same thing, किसी प्रोडक्ट में पहली यूनिट सेल्फ ही खराब हो गई तो क्या होगा? अल्टीमेट सिस्टम ही काम नहीं करेगा, हमारे बॉडी सिस्टम बेकार हो जाएगा, हमारा प्रोडक्ट फ्लॉप हो जाएगा. सिंपल. सो द एंटरप्रेन्योर शुड मैनेज द रिसोर्सेज इन एन इफेक्टिव एंड वायबल मैनर. The management function has become more and more complex nowadays and more typical nowadays, we can say. It is the effective management which helps entrepreneur to achieve the goals, maintain and improve the market share, fulfill the needs of customers and earn sufficient profits. So this is the basically characteristics of the entrepreneurship and characteristics of the process to be the entrepreneurship statement. And in this entrepreneurship process, you have to look after the things is like various concepts, various things in which you have to look after, because until or unless you have not looked after the vision, you have not looked after the acceptance, you have not looked after the management, definitely then you cannot do anything is to be there. So in this process, in this managing process is to be there, in the entrepreneurship process, you have to look that type of activities is to be there. and ultimate until or unless you are not doing this type of activities, you cannot fund. Now we have to come down the functions of entrepreneur. What is the function? Because entrepreneurship is a system in which entrepreneur will work. So in this, what is the functions? Functions of entrepreneur. Functions of entrepreneur. Same thing, याद करिए. Whatever, remember, we have just discussed certain things is to be there. Ki, what the qualities in the entrepreneurship? One is innovative approach. The process should be innovative. So, what is the function of entrepreneur? First is innovation. Innovation. Basically, I am using certain language in that way by which you can write in your answer books. We are taking very simple examples. We are using a very simple things to be there. And in this, if you are not using that type of concept is to be there, then definitely we can only survive. For the entrepreneurship, this is a very easy paper was there. But the concept is very typical and approach is very scientific. And until or unless you have not achieved the value of acceptance, you cannot understand the real meaning of entrepreneurship. Because entrepreneurship, I already told you, ये चीजें अंदर से हैं. Until or unless we have not type of desire, we cannot be successful in the piece of the entrepreneur. So the first, if you have to go to the function is to be there, the first function is innovation. Innovation is a main function of the entrepreneur. Innovative entrepreneurs are required for achieving the rapid economic growth, progress of the country. And innovation is concerned with introduction of the new products or the services, new sources of the raw materials, and more. If you are going to look at एक life example बिल्कुल अभी आपका recently अगर आप लोग देखेंगे पिछले हम भी गए थे. Once I visited in a big bazaar, I think I just forget the name is to be there, shop is to be there. But वो क्या था हमारा प्लास्टिक जब से बैन हुआ है, they are using a different type of thing. मैंने बिल्कुल same look after the things is to be there, poly bags उठाया, उसमें सामान रखा, पैक किया, लेकिन जो छूने में वो poly bags लग तो रहा था, but that is not a poly bag. I just wondered, that was written a tag is to be there. This bag is manufactured from the corn fibers. भुट्टा हम लोग खाते हैं, कॉर्न खाते हैं, उसका जो बाहर वाला फेंक देते हैं, उससे उन्होंने उसको तैयार किया था. This is the innovative idea was there. You can look after. This is the innovative approach by which we can replace the old tradition with a new one is to be there. Second is risk assumption. These are the characteristics. Risk assumption. Because we have already taken in the entrepreneurship process, there is a risk. Risk assumption. How much risk you can take up? It should be a quantitative. बहुत ज्यादा रिस्क हम नहीं ले सकते. अंत में क्या होगा, इंटरप्राइज चलाएंगे, पैसे की कमी आएगी, हम मेंटली हारेस होंगे. हो सकता है हम कोई ऐसा स्टेप उठा लें कि कल को लोग कहें कि मैं यहां पे इस दुनिया में था. लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स मे बी ना रिस्क. सो इन द रिस्क assumptions it should be a second important functions of the entrepreneur. There is risk in everywhere for the student, from the birth, for the development, each and every life cycle, the product life cycle from the introductory phase up to the declining phase. Every phase is to be there, the risk factor is to be there. The risk may be arise due to the natural calamities, changing government policies, other things. Then decision making. In the decision making process, entrepreneur should be synthesized everything, because this is their own bread. If they will not take the right decision, they will lose the bread. कोई और ले जाएगा और आपका यूनिट चलने से पहले ही बंद हो जाएगा. So in the everything, whatever, like technologies, raising of the capital, expansion of the business, whatever so is to be there, you have to take the right decision at the right time. Even the management principle is to be there. About the management principle, every manager should take the decision at the right time, at the right place, at the right position is to be there. If you not take the decision, याद करिए पिक्चर अभी हम जस्ट अनिल कपूर वाली एक पिक्चर थी, I just moved the scene, जहाँ पे कहते हैं कि चीफ मिनिस्टर ने सही समय पे डिसीजन नहीं लिया और पूरे महाराष्ट्र में दंगा हो गया था. सो क्या था वो, If that chief minister can take that type of decision on the very front of India, तो करोड़ों की जो प्रॉपर्टीज थी वो शायद लॉस होने से बच जाती. सेम थिंग हमारे लिए करोड़ों नहीं होगा. फॉर द एंटरप्रेन्योर वी हैव अ वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट इज टू बी देयर. स्मॉल यूनिट होगी हमारी. अगर उसमें हमने कोई भी रिस्क ऐसा ले लिया जो हम कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए, और वी कैन नॉट टेक द डिसीजन एट द राइट टाइम एंड द राइट प्लेसेस टू बी देयर, वी कैन नॉट बी सर्वाइव टू बी देयर. सो दिस इज द मेन थिंग. नाउ द फोर्थ मेजर फंक्शन, द मेजर फंक्शन विल बी देयर, दैट इज ऑर्गेनाइजिंग. In the organizing function, everything should be a planned way. An entrepreneur has to connect the various factors of the production with land, labor, capital, etc. and create an organization to undertake the production trading activities. He is required to possess a good organizing skills. Organizing has become a difficult task in modern setup because in every step you have to take. If you are just opening a small unit like confectionery or bakery, a lot of legal formalities is to be there. In the pharma industry, you have to look after some shop, you have to look after some chemist shop or something. You have to take the certain legal bindings is to be there. कि आपकी शॉप ऐसी होनी चाहिए, एरी होनी चाहिए, लाइसेंस होना चाहिए. If you are not take that type of licensing, and licensing takes time, licensing registration, rupees. So in the organization process, you have to look after each and every place in that manner by which they can arrange the things is to be. Then management. As I already told you, because functions of entrepreneur, this is the prime things was there. Because as an entrepreneur, the things was to be there, management at every place, management at everything is to be. Because if you are not proper way, management was to be there, definitely you will not survive. And if you are not survive, your business will be totally losses to be there. But maybe we have all the things. We have a good entrepreneurship process, we have a good entrepreneur characters, entrepreneurship process, but there are certain barriers who lost our entrepreneurship tactics. Because without barriers we can't survive. Also we can say barriers will everywhere, whatever the things to be. But these barriers dismotivate you, dishonest you, and you want to lose your business also. So there are certain barriers like logical and being logical. What is the difference? Logical and being logical. What is that? Because here we are discussing like risk assumption. We should take up the risk assumption, and we should be very logical and being logical. These are the two words. One is acceptance by us, and second is promoted by to others. Our decision should be logical. मैं सामने बैठा हूं, मैं आपसे कहूंगा यही, बट जब मेरे ऊपर पड़ेगा तो मैं क्या बोलूंगा? We should be logical. Our decision should be logical. Because this is the main difference to be there. Whatever as industry, as entrepreneur, as a knowledgeable person is to be there, everything you should be focused on the being logical, not just a logical is to be there. Then being practical like that, everything should be a practical hand. So because this is a starting business, this is the incubation business, this is the result business to be there, so you have to look after. Ambiguity, looking. Then every person who want to do risk, every person who want to take risk, this time used to be there, he is the person of entrepreneur. This one. Entrepreneurs, ship, we can say ship. Ship is a transition mode who can leading on the water. So जब वो चलता है तो उसके साथ सबसे बड़ा रिस्क क्या होता है? वाटर के फ्लो को तोड़ के आगे बढ़ना, और अगर कहीं उसका कोई भी एक सिस्टम, एक पार्ट भी जरा सा भी डैमेज हुआ, एक प्रॉपर होल सा, तो वो सिस्टम वर्क नहीं कर पाएगा. सेम थिंग फॉर द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. एंटरप्रेन्योर प्लस शिप. शिप इज अ वेयर. You have to look after that ship is to be there. For the ship, you have to, these are the things. Like you should be an innovative approach, you should be a risk assumption facility, decision making process should be there. Then you have to organize the each and every process was there. Then according to you have that type of quality by which You should be a creative. It's not telling that I am creative. Why? Things are totally different again. I am creative and I creative. The concept is to be there. Again, I will come down to one movie is to be there. मैं मूवीज की बात इसलिए करता हूँ क्योंकि आप सब लोग मूवीज बहुत देखते हैं. एक मूवीज आई थी उसमें इसने एक कोई सीएमडी था, उसने अपने इनॉग्रेट लेक्चर्स में यही कहा कि मैं कर सकता हूं, ये मेरा विश्वास है, मैं ही करूंगा, ये मेरा अभिमान है. सेम थिंग फॉर द एंटरप्रेन्योर, वी शुड बी वेरी मच पोलाइट, वी should be creative and not just thinking I am only the creative person in this world is to be there. So in the creativity, in the innovative approach, in the innovative process, we have to look after this thing is to be there, because there are certain barriers, certain things was there and certain atmosphere there. On that you have to look after these activities is to be there, because until and unless you are not look after that type of things, you cannot be surviving in this competitive era. And everything is like that. For the entrepreneur, whatever the work they are doing, it should be a very planned way. So everything in the later on we will discuss a lot of things also. What is the skills, what the qualities is to be there toward the side of the entrepreneurs. And in the meanwhile, the main thing is to be there. You have to look after certain things, like you have to look after AI. You have to should be controlled, and whatever the approach is to be there. So in this process, if you have to today's whatever the lecture we are discussing, we have lectured the two things. We have discussed about entrepreneurship and the entrepreneur. In the entrepreneur, we have discussed about the functions of entrepreneurs, and entrepreneurship we are discussed about the what concept of entrepreneurship, because concept is very very clear. Entrepreneur is a person, entrepreneurship is a process, innovation is an idea, risk bearing is the ability, and achievement imagery is the internal build. These are the certain concepts. And as and when the concept is to be carried out on a day-to-day basis, definitely we have to start with this process, and we have to start our like product life cycle. The same thing, like our entrepreneurship, the same process to be there. Like in introductory, maturity, then we have to create a growth is to be there. So this is the concluding things. Whatever we are today's in this risk assumption, we have to take up certain things like entrepreneurship. In this entrepreneurship, we have discussed the conceptual values. We have discussed about the process of entrepreneurships, like that talk was there, and then we have taken the quality. We have taken the functions of entrepreneur, because in the entrepreneur, whatever the functions related with the management, manager, it's come down with this. We have to, and with this certain ability. This is manager quality with certain abilities like risk bearing, because this is the own unit was there. So you have to remember in the concluding session, now this is the last session in the CIS, and this is the you have to look after. At least you should be taking to take the risk. This is the prime thing. So in today's we are discuss about the various concepts, various values of the entrepreneurship, and the characters, or you can say the functions of the entrepreneur in this podcast.